15 minus 15 times 15 minus 15. 15 minus 15 gives us 0, and 15 minus 15 again is equal to 0, and 0 times 0 gives us 0. If you got this answer, then the marks you get in the exam is also 0. The reason is that there is a fixed set of rules in math called the order of operations, commonly known as PEMDAS in some countries, or BODMAS in some other countries, but they mean the same thing. In this rule, the letters P or B stand for parentheses or brackets, E or O stands for exponents or order, M and D stand for multiplication and division, and A and S stand for addition and subtraction. First, we have to solve for parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here we first do multiplication and then subtraction. 15 times 15 gives us 225. So we have 15 minus 225 minus 15. 15 minus 225 gives us minus 210, and minus 210 minus 15 gives us minus 225. And this is our final answer to this problem.